Healthy relationships are turned outward rather than inward. Healthy relationships encourage individuality rather than conformity and are concerned with independence rather than emotional dependence. Healthy relationships point one's focus to the Lord and pleasing Him rather than toward the friendship and pleasing one another. So from that healthy relationship, ano natin malalaman kung tumatawid na pala tayo dun sa hindi healthy na relationship? Kung ito in-enumerate ni Maggie, if you are experiencing frequent jealousy, possessiveness, a desire for exclusivity, viewing other people as a threat to the relationship, we prefer to spend time alone with this friend and become frustrated when this does not happen. We become irrationally angry or depressed when this friend withdraws slightly. We lose his interest in friendships other than this one. So parang masyado na tayo nagkikling dun sa isang tao na yun. So God wants us to be united as a church. God wants us to love one another. Pero we should not base our worth, yung life natin, sa approval ng ibang tao. We are already approved by God, and we can rely on that truth as we go on with our lives.